Hi, second grade. So this week we start a new Superkids unit. And this week and next week we have our Super magazine. So we'll be using it for this week's Unit 7.1 as well as next week's Unit 7.2. All right, and we remember this from the last time we did it in e-learning and then all the times that we've done it in class together, how we take it over the 2 weeks, Unit 7.1 and 7.2. So we have a new magazine, and this magazine is called Splish Splash. All right. And if we look at the cover, we see a picture of a little boy and he's spraying water all over himself. We also see some of the sneak peek stories they give us on the cover are Sunken Ships, Fabulous Falls, and Rainy Day Fun. So just based on what I'm seeing on the cover, I think this magazine's topic, its theme, is going to be all about water, things to do with water. And I'm going to look inside the magazine at the table of contents and just kind of look and see if my guess is correct, if I made a prediction that makes sense. So I see a lot of water everywhere, a thirsty world, no water, no problem, lost at sea. I see a bunch of titles of stories that they sound like they're going to have something to do with water or things that I know have water in them. I see a lot of underwater kinds of pictures. So I think this is what the theme of the magazine is going to be for this and next week's unit. We don't have any specific vocabulary words to work with for this Super Kids magazine. We don't have those anymore. So we will go over some vocabulary words that we will see in the stories upcoming. All right. So, but as you prepare to read this magazine, I want you to think, what are some things you know about water? Where does water come from? Are there different types of water? What do people use water to do? Is water something that people have to have? How do people get around in water? What are different ways we can do transportation across water? All right. So just kind of think about some of those things. And those are some of the topics that we're going to be seeing in the articles that we are reading this week. So I hope you like the Super magazine. I think it was really interesting. It's a good one as the weather is getting warmer outside and we're getting closer and closer to summer. It's kind of fun to learn about water and the different things we can do with water. So, all right, enjoy. Bye.